guess there's mold traces in the garage from that water leak. They want the garage door repaired.
Yeah, it's all messed up.
And then there's windows that need to be repaired, the handrail to the upstairs, and then cleaning and mowing and general cleanup. So
I agree with the garage. I agree with these rails too. We should secure all these. Like, these shouldn't be that wobbly. This one was a 1031 exchange that we did last year, or 2023. So we shampooed all these carpets, right?
They got steam cleaned. This is the door that got broken into.
We need some work done on this door. This is sagging, so we gotta fix this. And this needs to be caged.
Should we just redo this kitchen floor? Because it's all, that's subfloor rotting.
Yeah, we gotta fix it.
So fix kitchen subfloor, so just tile the floor after that?
Whatever's the easiest way. I do agree, a couple things that we need. We need a rail right here. This should have been done. We need a cage on this thing. This place needs air fresheners. We need a little bit of trim around here. Yeah, well, I don't know what the hell this is even. It's always gonna get bad, so I would just paint it or clean it up. Because it's still clean and secure. It's just stained. And this house is like kind of sideways, you'll figure it out.
It's interesting.
Yeah, when I bought it, I was like, yeah, that's fine. This is what they're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to resecure this. I think it just needs a bunch of air fresheners in here and it'll be fine. I think the house looks clean. It just needs air fresheners because it stinks.
One of my downfalls, one of my weaknesses, I guess you could put, I have no sense of smell. So.
Oh, yeah. So just assume everything that you're in stinks.
Okay.
This doesn't smell too bad, but...
Does it just smells like, you said it smells like dog or something?
Dog. It just smells like musty, to be honest with you. Like, it doesn't even smell like dog. It smells like we had the carpets cleaned and then the house was closed. These are minor things, so let's just look at the garages right here.
Yeah.
What issue did they have in the garage?
Like the mold.
That's not mold, it's just dirty water. So we just need to clean out in here, I guess. I don't see any mold, but this looks like crap. So these windows need to be cleaned out. I don't think we gave them any security deposit back. They caused us a bunch of problems. So this was where it leaked before, right?
Yeah.
And this was all finished. What is it? This is the main shutoff though now?
This is right here. So we didn't have a shutoff valve and this is where it burst, so we had no way.
So the shutoff valve is here now?
Yeah.
So I do agree. So let's get one of the garage companies like ProLift to come out here. We just need this garage sealed and like serviced is really it. And then we could have Maynard come through and paint this and make this look a little bit better. It just kind of looks trashy in here. And there's just a couple things to do inside to clean it out. Other than that, I think it's ready to go. So that's pretty much it. I think just a good deep cleaning with weather stripping is gonna take this house a long ways. They said there was some issue with the railing.
The railings, did you say you were gonna repair them or replace them?
No, just repair. Generally, repair is kind of what we're going.
That's the first, yeah.
The gutters need to be cleaned out here. Got a bunch of trees hanging over it, but that's pretty much it.